Hi, I'm Rich Close, and today's tutorial is on the Control Center, the Magnifying Glass, or Magnifier. Please click the link below to subscribe and visit richclose.com for more iPhone tutorials. Let's pull up on Control Center, and again, you should have an icon here for a magnifying glass. That's the little plus symbol. If you click it, it takes you to the magnifying glass icon, and I'm going to just pick my phone up now and kind of show you. You can take and magnify what's in front of the phone. It's a little shaky, I apologize, I'm holding it with my hand. And you can reduce the magnification, you can increase the magnification, you can turn a light on so it's brighter, or the brightness, sorry, on and off. You can change the contrast. You can turn a flashlight on to make it brighter. And you can see these are the controls that you have for the magnifying glass. Okay, so very handy. I use it all the time for things I can't see, that it might be really small and tiny, right? Getting old, the magnifying glass is a benefit. So if you slide up on Control Center and you don't see the magnifier or magnifying glass icon, how do you find that? Well, we need to go into the Settings menu and under Control Center. And here we have a list of all of the options that are showing. So you can see I have magnifier is one of the included controls right now. That's why you saw it on my menu. But let's turn that off and remove it. And now it goes down here into more controls that are available. These are all the other controls that you can add, and there's magnifier. So scroll for magnifier, hit the plus sign next to it, and it will bring it up and add magnifier to your list of controls that you have now in your Control Center. And if you want to change the position, so for example, this is at the bottom of the screen now. I'm going to scroll up on Control Center. You can see the magnifier is the last item shown in the list. If you want to change that, you can actually grab the three bars here and drag magnifier up, and it will be up higher in your controls in Control Center. All right, so that's how you find the magnifying glass on your iPhone. Again, thanks for watching my videos. Please click the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my website where you can find more iPhone tutorials and a link to my iPhone seminar.